Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name remains Opinocious Signature, aka Emmanuel Christian. Well, if you've seen this video is actually for you. This is a section where we take you through our before and after. All of the jobs you'll be seeing here are actually services from us. They are not borrowed pictures, they are not borrowed content, and we're showing you live what we've done and what we've achieved, and we have a lot more to show to you. And you know the interesting part of this video? The interesting part of this video is that you not only stand the chance to receive our service, you also stand the chance to learn everything that you're seeing right here. So all of the styles, all of the pictures, all of the ideas you've seen, if you want to know how to make them or you want to have them on your locks, you have our contact to reach out to us. You just check our link on the description box or on our bio. You will see the links to our Instagram channel, the links to our WhatsApp channel, the links to our TikTok channel. Wherever you want to join us, wherever is more active for you, you can reach out to us through there. And the interesting thing about our channel is that we host daily tutorials about Locs installation, Locs repairs, Locs merging, and quite a few of you knows how to operate the dreadlocks machine. So in our channel, we'll put you through on how to purchase the dreadlocks machine, how to set up the dreadlocks machine, and also how to use the dreadlocks machine efficiently. We are going to expose the do's and don'ts about the dreadlocks machine, and also we are going to show you method that makes your locks healthy over time and method that makes your locks weak over time. Aside that, on a daily basis, we are going to be sharing you locks tips you can do all by yourself at home to make your lock look moist, healthy, shiny, and silky. So wherever you're watching from, feel comfortable to subscribe. If you haven't done that, you're not paying for the subscription. The subscription is free. Just subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can enjoy beautiful and meaningful content like this. I have a lot of testimonies that have come out of this channel. People around the world that have learned about dreadlocks in our channel, and they've never visited a physical salon to learn a dreadlock. Just by dedicating their 1 month to our channel, they learn a lot. We'll show you how to do the installation, a proper way to do an installation that can last longer without any locks falling out or ripping off. And also we're going to show you methods that are good for your locks. Let me give you a simple example. We have methods like the palm rolling, the interlocking, the crocheting. So we are going to distinguish their difference, and we are also going to tell you when and the best time to apply each of this method. And if you stick by our rules, most definitely your locks will be one of the healthiest. If you can see all through this content that I been posting, they are actually real, and all of these videos that you've seen that are displaying the before and after, you actually have locks tutorial, a live tutorial on them. So if you want to find a particular style, maybe you find a particular style very interesting, you can actually pause the video, take the picture, and go look for the video on our channel, and you will see how we made it from the start to the finish. We don't skip processes. We make sure that we cover all that entails about a particular style and how we achieved it, even the challenges we face while we're styling and while we're trying to do other things. Definitely you're going to see them in this channel. Then probably you are in the Locs community and you have a product that is failing or a product that is not working well for you. We have recommended products we're going to show to you through this channel, and we're going to tell the system that this channel is very useful to the Locs community, to the Locs world. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell and enjoy more of our content like this daily. Our stream time are usually 3 p.m. or 10 a.m. in the morning. 3 p.m. or 10 a.m. in the morning. We stream Monday to Saturdays every day. And we are also creating a Q&A section for maybe twice in a week. Yeah, we're going to do that twice in a week, and we're picking a perfect day where we'll have our most audience being active so we can use those free periods to answer questions. And the best time we suggest for those kind of content will be Now 8 o'clock, but we've not picked